What's up, guys? ATM Sportscards here. We're going to work on 5 boxes of 09 Bowman Chrome. Good luck to everybody. This was a 2-team random. So here we go. Get these out of here. Alright, we got a rookie parallel card. Number to 99, Rhett Bomar rookie for the Giants. That would be Slick Bob. Alright, base, and a refractor. Refractor to Slick Bob, Kevin Boss. And our rookie to TX Car, Michael Crabtree. All base, and a rookie for the Bills, Aaron Mabin. That would be Sparks. Base, Gartrell Johnson for the Chargers. Slick Bob. We got a refractor. X-Fractor, sorry, Justin Tuck, Slick Bob, number to 250, and a rookie of Cedric Pierman for the Ravens. That would be Sparks. Make sure no refractors in here. Rookie of Brandon Gibson for the Eagles. Red Sox 8. Got a refractor of Trent Edwards for the Bills. That would be Sparks. And a Johnny Knox rookie for the Bears. For the Bears. Duda has the Bears. All base, and a Chiefs rookie, Tyson Jackson. Chiefs were Johnny number 5. Base, Brendan Tate rookie for the Patriots. TX card to Patriots. For the Jets, Sean Green. Nab to Westy. Got a Braylon Edwards X-Fractor, number to 250 for the Browns. Prophecy guy. And for the Browns also, Brian Robisky rookie. All base, Dolphins, Patrick Turner rookie. Brady Girl 10. Darius Hayward Bay refractor rookie. That would be Johnny number 5. And Javon Ringer for the Titans rookie. Titans CSM. Stephen McGee for the Cowboys, Drunk Trojan. Nothing like saving the autograph for the end. We got a blue refractor, Super Bowl MVP, Drew Brees for the Saints. That would be TX Carr. It's numbered to 150. And a Mike Goodson for the Panthers. That would be Slick Bob. We got refractor Chris Johnson for the Titans. CSM. And Jarrett Dillard for the Jaguars. Slick Bob. Slick Bob getting all the rookies, man. Bob, Jarrett Dillard rookie autograph. Not numbered. And for the Steelers, Mike Wallace. We got the Steelers. Sparks has the Steelers. Jeez. For the Giants, Slick Bob, Andre Brown. And for the Buccaneers, Josh Freeman.